in action. We're back in the action, boys. Once again in the lair. No reason, I just wanted to film down here. It's a little more chill lately, you know? Upstairs it's like a little too formal. Down here it's like, I'm filming where I look like I should live. In a f***ing shithole. Guess what I just found? You know that we've had this little giveaway going on for a while. If you guys get 1,500 thumbs up within the day, we're giving away a real gold chain. Problem was I couldn't find it. We got it, boys. I found it right here. We got the real gold tennis chain. 1,500 thumbs up. You gotta leave a comment. My Instagram's right here. Just message me on there letting me know when you did that, and then hopefully it's one of yours. It's a cool chain. Good. Awesome. Thank you guys for the support. You've absolutely been rocking it. But YouTube hasn't. They've been taking down a lot of my old videos. So if you guys just want to help out, once again, just by giving a thumbs up and comment just for the hell of it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Real quick, this video is brought to you by the great people over at Rose Gold and Black. Now, we've talked about them a bunch. If you're new to the channel, they sell super low-key jewelry such as chains, watches, rings, there's a lot of stuff. They like bracelets. It's cool. It's absolutely amazing. Click the link down below. You can check it out. Now, actually, what we're wearing right here is just a super simple rose gold chain, and I actually got the rose gold watch to match. Now, funny enough, this is a jewelry channel for the most part, and a lot of times we focus on the diamonds. I'm gonna say right now, if you guys ever see me in person, and a lot of people are surprised about this when they do see me, 9 out of 10 times I'm wearing something like this. I just feel like personally, and I'm not saying this because this is sponsored, I feel like this type of jewelry, it just doesn't look too try hard. Sometimes I'm walking around with my cool chains and stuff, and it just like, I look like a dick. But this right here, like, it even goes with a shirt that says Manscaped. What else does it say? Your balls will thank you. Get rid of that. Look at that. This with a plain black tee, it's so hype, man. It's got like this nice casual streetwear style. The watch with it, man, super classy. I dig them a lot. Now, what they're actually having right now, though, which is really important, you guys gotta act on this because holiday sales don't last forever. They're having a holiday sale that's giving you guys 25% off worldwide. And if you use the link down below with discount code NameBran, you guys are going to get an additional 10% off. That's 35% off. 35% off. I really didn't do that for the bit. I had to add that up for a second. Yeah, man, Rose Gold and Black, absolutely killing it. And also, we got the bracelet on right here. I forgot to show it because I'm always wearing it. It's one of those bracelets that always stays on me. Go check them out, boys. Really, really good price for what you're gonna get. And you can't tell me this isn't sick. Just like, take care of the logo here. Wearing a black shirt with this, even a white one, it's so hype. Rose Gold and Black, links down below. So your boys have been playing a little bit more video games lately. I keep telling you guys whenever you have little video game chats about whatever on whatever video, I don't know. Y'all know I just go off and I rant about whatever. So weirdly, we've talked about gaming a lot on this channel, even though it's jewelry. I've been getting into the games, boys. I've been saying I've only owned one game. I bought NBA like 2 weeks ago, the new 2K one, alright? Long story short, I saw in this game, bro, there's actually like, when you're creating a character or whatever, you can actually add jewelry onto them. So I'm doing this on the game, right? A true story, by the way. I'm doing this on the game, and all of a sudden I see it. Oh, brought to you by Shop GLD. You guys know about them if you don't. They make a lot of, like, everyone's favorite fake jewelry. You know what I mean? I know they do the real stuff too, Dan. There's always somebody named Dan or Todd or something like, dude, they make real things too. I know. But they're popular for their fake stuff. Give me a break. Anyway, I saw that on this game you can actually give your player chains, like NBA chains, and after doing research, Shop GLD, we've done videos on them a lot, have actually teamed up with NBA. This isn't sponsored whatsoever. They teamed up with NBA to make NBA pendants for each team. Then all of a sudden I'm playing this game and I see that my character can wear these chains, and I'm like, damn, that's a really cool video idea. It's like something like video game jewelry in real life or something like that. It just sounds super dope. So I actually bought the real person version of these chains that you play with on the game, and that's it. We're gonna see how they are. And you know you guys like GLD, so we're gonna do a little unboxing of that. Also, because this is basketball per se in this video, here's one of my favorite clips. It's an interview. I think the leading question was something like why he had a really bad breakout game, which is like the first game of the season. Here was his answer. It's great. Everyone needs to see it.
I had a lot of diarrhea. That's what you want to know?
Your manager said you were sick.
Yeah, I had a lot of diarrhea.
No.
Yeah, I had a diarrhea and then why? Why is it funny?
No.
I watched on my phone with y'all, man. Oh, there's a little childhood humor for you right there. Anyway, let's get into unboxing. NBA 2K's jewelry in real life. I don't know, video game jewelry. I'm not really sure what it's gonna be called, but I think it's a cool idea, and I good, cool. Let's unbox it. not a dent, boys. All right, we'll just do it regular. So what these are gonna cost you if you guys are curious about it, any NBA fans or something like that, I just think the video game aspect of this video is really cool. These are gonna cost you about $99 a piece. They gotta buy one, get one, which I did. They better have packed 2 in here, bro. We got a little card thing. You know we hate these. Don't give us a card if it says some bull crap, unless it's got a code to give one of you guys a discount. The card certifies our jewelry company with jewelry. Nobody gives a shit, man. Give us a 25% off code on this and maybe we'll care. All right, anyway, these are gonna cost you $100 a piece. I got buy one, get one free. That's how it is. GLD, please have 2 in it, bro. Okay, and of course, then we have the ball sack skin case right here. Fake for YouTube guideline reasons. This is fake ball sack skin. It's not real because that would totally go against their policy. Yeah, we got 2 in here. All right, so boys, what we picked out is something that you can actually put on your character in the game. Once again, not sponsored. It's not super sponsored. And you can also get them in real. Wow, these are really cool. So the reason I'm also kind of, these are sick, bro. The reason I'm also into this video, how do you do it? How do you do it every time? Oh, it's the shake, so that's why. But the reason I'm really intrigued in showing you guys this is I've been getting into basketball again lately. I used to be a huge fan. You guys know I got the Raps hat on, go Canada. But you know, to be honest, when my dad passed away, I just kind of stopped watching sports altogether because that's what we would watch together. And, you know, now within the last couple of years, I've been really getting back into this stuff. So I've been collecting basketball cards, back into basketball. As y'all can see, this is the one right here that you can wear on the game or in person. We got the Lakers pennant right here. Now, I know a lot of you guys might not be into basketball. That's why we're calling this video game as opposed to NBA 2K. We gotta be strategic here, you know what I mean? And that's just me being honest. But I'm just looking at the quality here, bro. It's got GLD at the back. I just really think this is a really cool premise for a video. Super random, but I thought it was really sick to just wear things that you can put on your character in the game if you're into that. I'm probably gonna wear them on the game, I'm not gonna lie. So I can like be like my created character and wear the same jewelry and probably the same jersey as him as I play. It's bad, bro. Anyway, we had to go with the Lakers. Everyone loves Bron. You know, the Lakers are absolutely killing it as always. We also got the Warriors one right here. Had to pick that, obviously. Steph Curry. I just tried to pick the 2 that people are probably biggest fans of. Really not much to say about the jewelry. Also, I think we got it. You know what? If we give this away this video, if you guys get 1,500 thumbs up, this also, I forgot, came with a free tennis chain with the purchase of a certain amount of money. So if somebody wins this, you're also gonna win this with it. The GLD tennis chain to go on one of your necklaces. Let's pop one of these babies on. Let's see how they look. I'm super stoked for this. I was always a Lakers fan as a kid. Reason being, honestly, because of Kobe. At that time, I was a huge fan of him. I was a huge fan of Shaq too. It was great. But anyway, that's just kind of how it looks on. This is for basketball fans, really, or if you guys, wow, it looks really small on the screen. I got like one of these lenses that warps it a little bit. It's actually bigger in person. I measure it up to my wiener, but I don't think that's allowed anyway. There's a little size comparison. I think it's dope. If you're a basketball fan, I think this is sick. A little different jewelry review. This one though, the Golden State one, I really dig. I wanted the other Lakers actual logo one. They had a different one that was circular, but it was sold out. Anyway, there you go, guys. We're not gonna diamond test them. It doesn't really matter about that. There's just if you're into the NBA 2K or whatever, you can wear this as you game and look like a loser. But hey, man, you're probably gonna feel like pretty sick about it. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Making the game the greatest of all time. New videos coming out. We got a crazy month of videos. A lot of new rapper merch coming in. We got DaBaby. We got Juice WRLD. We actually have an XXXTentacion one, things I've been waiting months for. They never ship really that fast, but we've got a really cool month of videos coming up, at least what I have planned so far. Also, Rose Gold and Black, link is down below, don't forget. Appreciate you for watching. Thank you, bye.